Hey guys, welcome to the Cricket Panda IPL previews. Today we will be digging into an exciting contest where the challengers take on the Kings. RCB will be looking to seal the spot in the playoffs while Punjab will be keen to keep the hopes alive in the campaign. Head to head, these two teams were tied at 12 wins each by the end of 2019, but since then Punjab has won 3 consecutive games. Overall, RCB has crossed 205 times against Kings, which is joint highest in the IPL history. Playing 11 will be a headache for Kohli since Garton did well on his debut, but Hazaranga is too good to be left out on this sluggish surface, whereas Punjab will be keen to get Harpreet Brar back for Kohli-Maxwell ABD matchup. Coming to the pitch, this is by far the slowest pitch in this leg, with good movement early on, and 80% of the teams have won chasing. Historically, PBKS have been the best team here with 83% wins. Phase-wise, RCB is behind only in the batting department of middle overs, where they score about 7 runs per over, while Punjab have been phenomenal with their power play bowling thanks to Shami, who has bowled the most dots in this season. Except for his numbers against Shami, Virat Kohli checks all the boxes to start in the Fantasy 11. He has a daunting average against orthodox bowlers and has been dismissed only once since 2020 to Harpreet Brar. KL Rahul is the captain pick today with the best record against RCB. He averages an unbelievable 92 against his former franchise and hasn't been dismissed since 2020. Registered his highest IPL score against RCB only last season. One of the rare occasions when we have some reasons to drop the in-form Padikkal. Only 26 runs in 3 innings against the Kings, Padikkal has looked solid otherwise with a century to his name in this season. Perfectly equipped to tackle the spin challenge, he might face issues with Shami's pace. Mayank has been in great touch, but his numbers in the context of this match are surprisingly low. He has struggled against leg spin and against his former franchise. If it comes to making a choice, he can be excluded from the fantasy team. ABD has been out of form recently but overall has extraordinary numbers this season. Maxwell has a contrasting record where he averages close to 70 at Sharjah but has only 12 runs from 3 innings against Punjab. Pooran has demolished leg break bowlers but has struggled overall. If we look into the pattern of RCB batsmen, you can have both the openers as captain-vice captain if they chase, and ABD as vice captain probably if they bat first. Form-wise, KL and Mayank are way ahead of others, while De Villiers and Pooran haven't got going in the last 5 innings. Chris Gayle dominates the head-to-head records, while Rahul has the highest average. Chahal is the leading wicket-taker of the lot. For the Fantasy 11, you can build your team around Rahul, ABD, Kohli, Markram, Shahrukh, Harshal and Arshdeep. In big pools, you can also go for Allen and Chahal. That's it from us today. Thank you for joining us in the preview. Please like and subscribe if you found it informative. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms, including the website where you can dig extensive stats on IPL. See you in the next one.